how to dual boot Windows 8.1 and Windows 7. You can have your new Microsoft operating system and keep your old one to heads how you are a little curious about this new Windows 8.1, but you are also a bit secret at the same time since you have heard that it's such a big adjustment from good old Windows 7. Where not, there's a way you can test the waters while still holding on to your tried and true system software by setting up a dual boot system. Installing Windows 8.1 this way gives you a clear choice screen at system start up of which operating system various you want to use. So how do you this? It's really not much more difficult than your typically Windows installation with a couple of steps before you start the actual step. Follow the below and you will be able to switch back and forth between operating system at will. One not through this multi-boot step only works with Windows 7 and Vista. To set up a multi-boot system with Windows XP or Avant, you will need a third-party multi-boot tool such as the excellent Easy BCD from Neo Smart Technology. Before you attempt this, however, you should back up your existing Windows PC. You never know what will happen when installing a new OS. At the very least, back up all your photo, video, and document. A complete image backup of your hard disk is preferable. However, Windows 7 has a built-in backup feature to secure your data file, but for image backup you will need third-party software such as our editor choice. You all have to create a partition of at least 16 GB 20 GB for 64-bit Windows 8.1 for your side by side Windows 8.1 and 7 installation. To do this, type disk management in the start buttons text box, which will display a create and format hard disk partition choice at the top of the start panel. Click on that to open the disk management utility. You will probably have to partition. Right click on the largest one and choose shrink volume from the context menu. Shrink space dialog will appear for a while, and then another message will tell you how much free space can be out of the drive in MB. In the size above 16 GB for the 32-bit version of Windows 8.1 and over 20 GB for the 64-bit flavor, and then hit the shrink button. This will create an section equal to the size you choose in the chart at the bottom of the window. Leave in B for now. You will let the Windows 8.1 installer take over from here. Now it's time to actually get your copy of Windows 8.1 in the form of a downloaded ISO disk image file. There are several ways to go about this, which I have explained in how to download Windows 8.1. You can download Windows 8.1 preview from Microsoft Downloaded. Windows 8.1 preview page. You have a choice between 32-bit and 64-bit. Since